Welcome to 104 Rockyview Drive. This neat 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with updated luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout inside is located in the Rockgate neighborhood in the Crane Creek area of North Columbia. It's convenient to I-20, Columbia International University, and Northeast Columbia, as well as downtown amenities. We're out front. You can see home sits on a pretty decent sized lot. Have a nice open front yard. There's a driveway here on the right side with parking. And we'll go on into the entry. You have kind of a front stoop out front. And then as you enter, you see the luxury vinyl plank flooring updated throughout. We enter into the living room. You have a ceiling fan in here. There's a coat closet in the corner. And then on through the door, we flow into the kitchen. So it's an eat-in kitchen. You have a stainless steel smooth top electric range, as well as a refrigerator, white cabinetry, window over the sink, looking out to the backyard. On the right side here, there is a pretty decent sized laundry closet for a full size side-by-side washer and dryer. And then if you continue this way, there's a side door by which you access the outside space and backyard. So you can see the driveway sort of coming off right there. And then you swing around, you have the backyard. So you sort of back up to kind of a nice treed area, nice buffer back there. And then back inside, we have 3 bedrooms down the hall. There is a full bath nearest to the main living area. So you have a single vanity and a shower and tub in there. You kind of have like a built-in sort of recessed shelf area in that shower, which is a nice feature. Some strip lighting above the sink. And then possibly just a utility and storage closet here with a water heater inside. And then if there were to be a primary bedroom, this will be it. It does have the adjoining half bath. So you have a ceiling fan in here, closet, and then your bathroom. So you see just a commode and single vanity, but nice to have ensuite to the bedroom. And then 2 additional bedrooms that face the front of the home. Ceiling fans in both, I do believe. And you can see the closet there. It kind of goes behind the door on both sides, so that's nice. Linen closet in between those 2. Here in the hall, and then last but not least, bedroom number 3. And the closet's pretty much the same size, I believe, as the one in the other bedroom. So that completes our tour of this home at 104 Rockyview Drive in North Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.